Hello, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. I want to introduce you to a series of Microsoft classes that I've created specifically for people who are in the nonprofit sector. The first type of Microsoft application that I am teaching is Microsoft Excel 365. I created a series of small classes, short, online, self-paced classes under Microsoft Excel. The first class that I created is entitled Entering and Formatting Data. It is an online, self-paced class, and it includes an ebook. I would like to give you a free preview of this class. The Microsoft Excel 365 series of classes. Microsoft Excel is a popular application that entrepreneurs and nonprofit professionals use to manipulate financial data in spreadsheets. However, since my area of expertise is in the nonprofit sector, I created a series of short, online, self-paced Microsoft classes that include scenarios specifically developed for the nonprofit sector. Important, very important. The first class in the series is the Microsoft Excel 365 Entering and Formatting Data self-paced online class. It is specifically designed for people who have never used Microsoft Excel in any capacity. So if you've used Microsoft Excel for any reason, do not take this class because you will not learn very much from this class if you've already used Microsoft Excel in any capacity. Here is a preview of what you will learn in this class. You'll learn how to enter data in Excel spreadsheets. I'm going to talk to you about what is data. I'm going to talk to you about how to determine columns and rows in a spreadsheet. I'm also going to talk to you about how to determine cell addresses. What creates a cell address? Because cell addresses are what are used to manipulate the data in spreadsheets through formulas. So we're going to talk about that. Then we're going to talk about formatting data in Excel spreadsheets. How to make the data look more visually appealing by adding simple formatting updates. For example, font sizes, font styles, font colors, bold, underline, italics, horizontal centering, vertical centering, different types of other alignments. That's what we're going to talk about in the formatting data in Excel spreadsheets. So again, the title of this class is Microsoft Excel 365, Entering and Formatting Data in Excel Spreadsheets. This is the first class in a series of Microsoft Excel 365 classes that I'm teaching. They are specifically designed for people who are in the nonprofit sector because I use scenarios from the nonprofit sector to teach the classes. However, anybody can leverage this class if you just want to learn Microsoft Excel 365. Your investment is only $20. It's a self-paced online class, and it includes an ebook that you can print and use over and over again. This class will be open to you 60 days from the time in which you enroll in the class. So how do you enroll in the class? Well, here are the enrollment steps. Step 1, go to www.trustsusanwoods.com. Step 2, select online classes from the menu. Step 3, select Microsoft 365, entering and formatting data. Step 4, process the $20 enrollment investment. This is an investment in your continuing education. So again, this is a short, self-paced online class that teaches you how to enter and format data in an Excel spreadsheet. It combines text, video guided instruction, practice activities, knowledge checks, and a survey at the end. You will also receive a certificate of completion, all for $20. What do you have to lose? Go ahead and enroll in this class and start your path to learning Microsoft Excel 365. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.